Good morning everyone. Welcome to BSc Live classes. Today our topic of discussion is tense. आज हम लोग का topic of discussion tense है. Today we are going to discuss a specific type of tense, that is the present indefinite tense. See, the present indefinite tense is also known as the simple present tense. Okay, simple present or present indefinite, they are the same thing. Now we are going to understand precisely when and how we have to use the present indefinite tense. Okay, to describe a routine activity we have to use the present indefinite. Okay, again to describe a habit we have to use the present indefinite tense. Again to describe a factual statement we use the present indefinite tense. Okay, so apart from routine habitual activities and factual statements, we also describe universal truths using the present indefinite tense. Okay, again to state a planned action in the near future we have to use the present indefinite tense. Now let us understand this through some examples. Look at the first example. I come here daily. This is simple present tense. I come here daily. It's a routine activity. मैं यहाँ पे रोज आता हूँ. It's a routine activity and therefore we are using this simple present tense here. I come here daily. Okay. Now coming to the second example. He likes to go for a walk in the evening. Again here we are using the present indefinite tense because this word likes represents a habit, right? It's a habit. वो evening walk करना पसंद करता है. He likes to go for a walk in the evening. Therefore we are using the simple present or the present indefinite tense here. Again, earthquakes frequently occur in Japan. So this is a fact. Earthquakes frequently Japan में आता है. It's a factual statement. Therefore you are using the present indefinite here. Similarly, the sun rises in the east. Again a factual statement. Therefore the present indefinite tense. Now look at the next example. The Prime Minister leaves for China next week. So it's a point in the near future, next week. So in this context we can also use the present indefinite tense. The Prime Minister leaves for China next week. It's a planned activity which is going to happen soon, that is at some point in the near future. Therefore we have to use the present indefinite tense here. Again similarly, I leave in an hour. The present indefinite here is used because it describes an activity which has been planned and which will take place very soon, in an hour, and hence the simple present tense. Now again let us look at some examples. A misogynist is a person who is hating women. Okay, so misogynist word जो है उसका meaning describe क्या है? Misogynist कौन होता है? Misogynist is a person who hates women, who is hating women. यहाँ पे लिखा है. Okay, now it's a fact. Okay, it's a factual description of this word misogynist. Therefore यहाँ पे जो present continuous tense use किया गया है, who is hating is present continuous, right? So that is wrong. Since it's a factual statement, we have to use the present indefinite or the simple present tense here. So the mistake is in this part. A misogynist is a person who hates women, not who is hating women, who hates women. Okay. Now coming to the second example. These days elderly people are discussing cricket whenever they find time. Okay, are discussing, यहाँ पे भी सेम मिस्टेक है, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस है. but from this statement we can assume that it's the habit these days of elderly people to discuss cricket whenever they find time. ये एक ऐसा काम है जो उन लोगों को पसंद है, जो elderly people को पसंद है these days whenever they find time, right? So यहाँ पे continuous tense गलत होगा. Continuous tense की uses क्या क्या है वो next video में discuss करेंगे. But यहाँ पे continuous tense is not suitable. यहाँ पे again we have to use the present indefinite tense. Okay? So these elderly people discuss cricket whenever they find time. If you have any doubts or if you have any observations, you can just let me know in the comment section. Okay? आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you very much. Looking forward to our next video. Thank you.